Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, a 6.5 meter long ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall. Find the height of the wall where the top of the ladder touches it. Now here we have given a ladder which is 6.5 meter long. Suppose AC is a ladder which is 6.5 meter long. And we have given that this foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall. Suppose this BC is a wall and this distance is given by 2.5 meter. Here we have to find the height of the wall. Suppose height of the wall is h centimeters. Now here, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So substituting values here, 2.5 square plus BC square means h square equals to AC square is 6.5 square. So here h square will be 6.5 its square minus 2.5 square, which is 36. Now taking square root on both the sides, we get h equals to 6 centimeters. Hence, height of the wall is 6 centimeters. From available options, we have option A as 6 centimeters.